Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. Let's quickly do a 3-minute unboxing and a general introduction video to Behringer UM2 audio interface. If you're looking for setting up your minimal recording studio, on that I'll be sharing few important points in the end. I'll be making one more simple video about how I use this to play and record my electric guitar. Audio interface is used to connect input and output devices to computer. My main purpose of this audio interface here is to play and record my electric guitar without using an amplifier. Let's go ahead with unboxing. An okayish packaging with polyfoam support. Three leaflets containing unnecessary information about other audio interfaces from Behringer. In this digital era, a PDF would have been more eco-friendly. That's a USB cable. This is all the stuff from the box. Let's see the input output options. Two inputs, one line in and one mic in. You can connect XLR or TRS cable as mic input. In line in, you can use TRS, which is standard guitar cable pin. Two outputs, one for headphone and one for studio monitors. This knob controls gain for this line, this knob for this line, and this knob is for master audio output. Here is status, signal and clip indications to see signal strength. There is also direct monitoring option for sessions. You press this button here, you can monitor your samples without any latency. It can also support phantom powered microphone. In that case, switch this button on. It's a plug-and play device, so no need to configure a separate Behringer software. Just install ASIO for all audio drivers and you're ready to roll. This has got Xenix mic preamps, which is good. Simultaneously, this can record one mic, one instrument, and it can give two outputs, one for monitors and one for headphone. This is made in China and designed in Germany. It's a solid, sturdy construction, not a delicate product. It comes with 3 years of warranty. Disadvantage, you can't stack this. This will consume some amount of space in your gig since the knobs are given on the top of the box but not on the front. I hope this 3-minute video was helpful and do support the channel. Any questions, drop them below. I'll see you soon in the next video where I'll show you my guitar playing and recording gig. Until then, stay awesome. Namaste. Peace.